So here are some references that you can follow to get started with React Native, or even if you are already working with React Native, you can follow these to enhance your skills there. There is this official documentation, obviously. This is every time updated, continuously updated, to cover all the topics from getting started to setting up the development environment, and where can you install the dependencies. It has also given things to install third-party dependencies and everything. So yes, you can obviously follow this official documentation whenever you get started with React Native. Then there is a great React Native community. There are many packages, libraries that are managed and deployed by this React Native community. So developers are continuously contributing to open source projects and providing support through forums such as chat rooms and social media. So you can obviously join these chat rooms and everything using platforms like GitHub and Stack Overflow, Reddit, Discord. You can join communities on Discord also. They have specific communities there for React Native. GitHub obviously has the third-party library management things present on it. Then Stack Overflow is a great community, great platform where you can connect with various developers. You can obviously find jobs on these platforms too. There are too many developers and companies which hire from there. Then the next reference is the books. There are great books available in the market which can provide you great learning in React Native. Some of them which I can shortlist are React Native in Action by Nader Dabit, and the other one is Learning React Native and Building Native Mobile Applications with JavaScript. So you can follow these books to get started with React Native. Then obviously there are blogs and articles. Medium is a great platform. There is dev community and official React Native blog. These are excellent resources for staying updated on latest trends and best practices and community contributions. So these are all the references that you can follow to get started or enhance your skills in React Native. So this was about the references. Let's go to the next slide now.